welcome back to Circuit the World. My name's Alice and today we are making snowmen. It's been very, very cold here in the UK this winter, but it has not snowed. It's not been cold enough to snow when it's been raining. It also hasn't been cold enough for it to set on the ground, even if it has snowed, which I don't think it has. Not here anyway, not here in London. And we have not had snow. However, I still want to make some snowmen with you guys. So I thought, let's try 3 different ways of making snowmen without using real snow. Now, if any of you have got a keen eye, you will notice that there are only 2 piles of things beside me. And that doesn't equate to 3 different snowmen. We are making one snowman, arts and crafts style, with some cotton wool, which is this guy over here. We're making the second snowman with a more traditional edible snowman with marshmallows and sweets and icing and stuff, who's over here. And the third guy cannot be with us because I'm going to try and make a snowman out of ice cream. I'm so smart, such a good idea, because this room gets so hot when I'm recording because I've got the lights on and I have the door shut because I'm recording. So the ice cream in here is going to work really well. I'm going to start non-edible, then go easy edible, and then go hard edible. And we'll see if I can end up with 3 snowmen and if they can look even discernibly like snowmen. I've got this, which is a roll of cotton wool. I don't ever think I've seen cotton wool like, well, I've seen cotton wool like this, I just don't think I've ever used it like this. Oh, that's perfect. But look how snow-like this stuff looks. You know what I'm saying? I think we can make a good snowman out of this. There is already bits of cotton wool flying around. So I'm going to start with the head. Guess kind of go this shape. And I wonder if it will actually stick and make like a ball shape. It's not bad. I think I can work with that. I'm going to make like a ball first. And then I'm going to wrap the ball and make the ball bigger. I think that will hold. I'm going to... Oh, wait, I've just remembered a trick. I feel like if you use a toothpick, you can kind of push the fibres together and it will actually stay together. Is that cotton wool? Am I making things up? Am I crazy? The jury's out on that last one. I feel like this is something. I could be making it up. Ow, I just stabbed myself. I think I'm onto something here, guys. Okay, I'm going to roll with it for now. I'm going to just try and like stab. Is it cotton wool that you can do this with? Oh, I think it is. That's gone really well. It's something about pushing the fibres together that somehow makes it do this. If this is the material I'm thinking of, and by my results currently, I'm going to say it is. That's stuck together apart from this bit here. Really quite well. Oh. That was me breaking the end of the toothpick. I am calling that a semi-success. It's the first part of our cotton ball guy right there. Now I'm going to do is the same thing, but instead of wrapping it once, I'm going to wrap it twice. So it's a bigger ball. This guy feels so soft. It's so nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this yucky bit at the top and I'm going to try and adhere his yucky bit to this yucky bit and see, ow, if that works. Okay, what I'm going to do is try a little bit of double side just for stability. It's something to just kind of give it some support. There we go. There he is. Little snowman. Little friend. Very soft. Very nice. You could use him as like a pin cushion. No, you couldn't. Okay, so here he is at a base level for you guys. Now I'm going to add some decoration. Let's see how well this works on here. As suspected, like garbage. Jab, 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 jab. Oh, he looks really sad. Well, that's no good. He can't look sad. He's a happy, happy snowman. He just wants to smile. So here's a base of him. Ta-da! A very basic snowman with no snow. So let's try and make him a scarf. Oh, that's not too bad. That's done quite well. You need some more of this. So let's add more to the end. Just kind of roll it again. Nice and tight. And then I'll try and smush them together in the middle. Like this. There you go, that's not bad. Is that long enough for you, Snowman friend? Oh, it's so cute. It's not long enough, but it's so cute. I need a name for this guy. And he's really cute. And like cuddly. I don't know what to call him, guys. Help. I'm avoiding Frosty because that's really typical and I don't want to be that typical. But at the same time, he's a snowman. I'm not going to call him something like Steven. Maybe I will. Maybe he should be Steven the snowman. I also note that this is only going to have a pattern on one side of it. I'm more interested in not getting Sharpie all over my table. So that's like a little bit of a pattern going on. Now what I want to do. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's like, oh yes, I'm happy now. Thank you. I don't think I'm going to make him a hat because I don't think I know how to. Oh no, I just beheaded him. Oh, Steven. Oh no, I broke his scarf. Ta-da! Here is Snowman number 1. He is Steven. He is awesome. He has made my hands silver. He is made purely out of cotton wool and Sharpie. He's very soft, very cuddly, and he likes sitting by the fire, snuggling up with a hot cocoa. And he smells of Sharpie, and that's probably not a good combination. I'm gonna be high at the end of this video. Let's move on to Marshmallow Man. I think he is gonna be a lot easier. I have some icing to help adhere him. I also have some toothpicks to help adhere him. I have strawberry laces, which I'm thinking for his scarf. And then I have M&Ms, which I will be using for his head, his hat, whatever. I'm also gonna be trying to stick with the white marshmallows rather than the pink ones. I only use the pink ones if I run out of white. They're all stuck together. Tear along perforations. Can I just twist? Oh, well, that'll do. So how do I get it to go? How do I get it to come out? Screw your chosen nozzle. Place your index finger at the tip of the nozzle and press downwards. Pipe a small amount onto the plate to release air before icing. What? Well, that's coming off then. Okay. Somebody help, like this. That's what the guy seems to be doing on the picture. This is extremely difficult. I got this for ease. Am I seriously gonna have to watch a video on how to do this? Oh God. Yay, icing. That is not easy, but whatever. We got some icing. So what I'm gonna do first is put a little blob. Oh, now it's flowing on the bottom of these guys. Doesn't really look like a snowman. It just looks like a pile of snow with a pink thing on the top. And I thought this one was going to be easiest. Okay, let's try. Oh God, that's quite a few that's just come out. I want 3. I'm going to try a braid. Because oh no, his head fell off. Okay, 1 braid and 1 headless snowman because he won't just stay. It's all falling apart. Guys, I thought this would be easiest and it's currently the hardest and I still haven't got the ice cream out. I'm so certain the ice cream is going to be really hard. So this is not a good start. It's a marshmallow mess. He's leaning. Why are you leaning? Oh, we've lost something. Around here, we've lost something. We're nearly there, I guess. Let's just see what I can do with these M&Ms, if at all anything, and hope for the best. Need a few of these. Preferably in the same colour. There you go, I've got some red ones, they're all the same. Just give it a blob. Yep. Amazing. Doesn't help that this icing keeps dying and not working. Oh God. And then it will suddenly work, but way too much. Ta-da! Quickly before he all falls apart, here is my marshmallow snowman. Isn't he great? I'm going to call him the disappointment because that's all he was to me. And finally, the one I definitely have not been looking forward to. The ice cream man. And I thought disappointment was going to be easy, but he just let me down. So I do not have high hopes for this one. Yes, I have a Mickey Mouse plate. The better question is, why don't you? Okay, I'm going to have to work so fast with this one because it is just going to start melting as soon as I start. I also have soft serve, which I don't think is going to help me, but here we go. I really want to mold it a little bit. But I'm worried, look, obviously the more I touch it, the faster it is going to melt. Standing strong at the moment. Okay. Body, try and mold this in here. Ha 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 ha. Oh dear Lord, that was cold. Hey up, that ain't bad. I'm happy with that. It's a base for my snowman, made of ice cream. He's pretty good. My hand is frozen. I cannot feel my fingertips on my left hand. Okay, I think that's enough with the ice cream. We're already starting to melt now, guys. I'm trying not to touch it too much. I'm gonna try and also feel my fingers again because I currently can't. Get a couple more laces. There is no time to braid. We are just gonna give him a scarf. So he's got a scarf. Let's do like a twist. Twist, 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 twist. Okay, M&Ms, 2 brown. That's really helpful. My little nose. Get a couple more blues. I'll go blue. Maybe just 2, maybe just 2. Once. I dropped it. That's it. That's all we have time for here, ladies and gentlemen, because he is already melting. Oh, isn't he so cute? Isn't he the cutest little thing you've ever seen in my whole life? Oh my God. He might be my favorite. Well, he is my favorite, apart from I still can't quite feel my fingers. I'm gonna call him Poloco. Don't know why. But there you have it. That is 3 ways to make a snowman without snow. For sure, my favorite is Poloco in the middle. Most successful, I reckon, is Steven, just because he in 10 minutes will still be a standing snowman, and Poloco is already melting. I already have a little pool around him, which is a little bit concerning. But let me know down in the comment section below which one your favorite is, what name should we give these little guys, and if you want to try one of these 3 ways of making a snowman, do take pictures and video and send it to any of my social medias or down below. I'd love to see you guys have a go at these as well. But for now, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's been an absolute blast as always. If you enjoyed this video, go show that like button some Christmas love. And if you want to support the channel, go hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video. Oh, Poe, this world did not deserve you.